Hi, I'm Shauna Riggers, managing attorney at Arizona Family Law Attorneys. And I think one of the most popular questions I get from people paying child support is, how long do I have to keep paying this child support? I am going to give you the answer. In Arizona, you have to pay child support until your child graduates from high school. So there's a couple of different scenarios I want to give you. Pretty typical, your child turns 18 maybe in February, right? So they aren't going to graduate until May. You'll need to pay child support through May. Let's say they were held back. Many kids were held back in COVID, and they're actually going to graduate a year later. So you would be responsible for paying child support while they are going to high school full time until they graduate or until they turn 19. So in my scenario, if they were held back a full year and they actually turned 19 in February, you would stop paying in February. Remember back at the beginning of the video when I said usually? There's also a caveat in the statute for Arizona child support that if your child has special needs and they're not going to be able to live on their own, you may be able to have the court order that child support continue on. That is a very, very specialized piece of information and type of litigation. So you're going to want to make sure that you do get advice from a licensed Arizona attorney on that specific issue. When you are getting close to emancipation, that's the legal term. That means you don't have to pay child support anymore. When you're getting close, you can actually file with the court in advance so that as soon as they emancipate, the court can file their order terminating child support. It takes the court some time for that to process through. So starting early is in your best interest because you have to deal with the court, then they have to talk to your employer. And so you want to make sure that you're doing everything that you can so that you don't overpay your child support and have money owed back to you from the other parent. If you have questions about child support, how much you need to pay, how long you're going to be paying, feel free to give us a call here at Arizona Family Law Attorneys. We work as a team and we will be on your side to help make sure that your rights are upheld. Give us a call as we provide peace of mind as there is no substitute.